सागमा पधमरे नी नी रे मा धप ग ग ग सागमा पधमरे नी नी रे मा धप ग ग ग मना मनातील ध्यासा मधुनी उमले फलश्रुती सरस्वतीच्या गाभाऱ्यातील ज्योती फलश्रुती मना मनातील ध्यासा मधुनी उमले फलश्रुती सरस्वतीच्या गाभाऱ्यातील ज्योती फलश्रुती
Again, a very warm welcome to all our students, our guest speaker for the day, and the entire team of Falashruti. It is my proud privilege to introduce our speaker for the day, Dr. Santosh Singh. He is the head of the department in KC College, postgraduate, BEd, and he has done his PhD from IIT Banaras. He is a senior moderator at HSC Board and the ex-member of Board of Studies. He has worked as a faculty in Vijay TI for MTech students, and he is a member of the Advisory Committee of Staff Selection Commission. He has conducted a number of training programs for teachers at different centers. Santosh sir, a warm welcome to you on behalf of the Falashruti, and without wasting much time, we would like to hear more from you. So I would now hand over the strings to you, and you may start with the program.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Over
It's
to
my
you.
privilege
Over to
to
you.
have.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Don't go your previous knowledge कि आपने तो कैपिटल एबीसी पढ़ा है, कैपिटल एबीसी लिख के आ गए और वहां पेपर में क्वेश्चन पेपर में स्मॉल एबीसीडी यूज हुआ है. So please be careful about that. Yes, what's that next one? As far as possible, try to complete all question of group together. As far as possible, I've used the word, not necessary. ऐसा नहीं कि सर ने तो बोला तो सब क्वेश्चन साथ में ही करने के लिए एक ग्रुप का, और एक क्वेश्चन तो मेरा छूट गया तो मैं नहीं करता हूं. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा बच्चा. अगर आपने छोड़ दिया है तो लास्ट में कर दो, नो इशू, नो प्रॉब्लम. एंड वन मोर थिंग्स, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. Attempt a new question on new page, that's okay. Now here, please see here, that is very important. Out of the box, I'm just telling you. Actually, as a teacher, I should not say such type of things, but still I'm telling you for your benefit. One second. See, you have written question number 4. Generally, what the students have it, क्या होती है, आपने कुछ लिखा 2-4 लाइन, तब तक बाजू वाले से देखने का मौका मिल गया आपको. ऐसा होता है. तो आप लोग क्या करते हो, इसको काट के फिर से शुरू कर देते हो लिखना. यू कैंसल इट दैट. एम आई राइट? ऑल्दो यू आर राइट लिटिल बिट एंड द बाजू वाला 100% रॉन्ग, बट यू डोंट हैव अ कॉन्फिडेंस ऑन यू हैव अ कॉन्फिडेंस ऑन अदर्स. ऐसा मत करो. आपको चांस मिलता है लिखने का, बाजू वाले से लिख लो, बट अपना लिखा हुआ कैंसल मत करो. यू लीव इट एज इट इज. Why I'm saying like that? I'll tell you the reason. Because what happens sometime, आपने whatever you have written that's correct, and whatever you have copied that is wrong. But आपने तो cancel कर दिया, then I cannot give the marks for that. Right now here, if both the things are clear, let the teacher do it. Suppose you are getting out of 4 2 marks, or यहाँ 1 mark, you will not get the 3 mark. Don't worry. this 1 mark is going to be triangled and your 2 marks is going to be considered. Clear? So please don't cancel anything from your side. Whatever you write down. फिर से क्वेश्चन नंबर डाल दो, फिर से लिखो, चलेगा. आप अपने से कैंसिल कुछ भी मत करो. Let the teacher cancel it. Any doubt? Now we'll have a question answer session. If anyone has any question, please raise the hand. We will unmute and you can ask the question, or you can put the question in chat box also. If you have any question, if anyone has any questions. Yes? Any question? Ma'am, any question in your chat box?
No, sir. There are no questions. I think you have been answering them from time to time, so there are no questions.
No, I was answering, but still I have kept
Yeah.
the 10 minutes time for the question answer session.
Yes.
Sir,
Students, please ask it out.
one question has come. Sir, the deleted syllabus will be given to us by Phalasthuti. Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
it will be given. Deleted portions, whatever I have just sent it, discuss with you, I'll forward to them. They will give it to you. Don't worry for that. Any other question related to any topic or general discussion? Please feel free to ask. I just kept your 10 minutes time for the discussion also. Yeah? If anyone has any doubt, they cannot type it, raise the hand, we will unmute and they can ask the question. Sir, how much time should we give to each question and section? Yes, good question. How much question is, sir, how much time should we give to each question and section? It depends how much you have studied. अब ध्यान दो आपको. See how many questions you have to do it. For me, I may take 1 minute time. You can take 2 minutes time or 3 minutes time. It's up to you how you are going to divide it. Now simple logic, as you have discussed, we have discussed. Question number 1 में 8 question, 2 में 4 question. Group C, this is A. C में, B में आपको 8 क्वेश्चन करने हैं. क्लियर? एंड C में आपको 8 क्वेश्चन करने हैं. D में आपको 5 क्वेश्चंस करने हैं. अब आप डिवाइड कर लो अपने हिसाब से टाइम. What about 20 marks practical? Yes. 20 marks practical will be at the college level, and out of that 20 marks practical, there will be 2 components. One sec, I'll just stop sharing, then we can discuss clearly. I think now it's visible. I'm visible. Okay. Now 20 marks practical as at college level it will happen, and in that 5 marks for the general. Clear? And 15 marks there will be a test at the end of the during the practical time. And out of these 15 marks there will be 4 questions will be asked. 5 mark के 4 क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे. You have to attempt any 3 out of these 4, so that will give you the 15 marks. And this time, and actually I should not say because it has not come yet out in the market, but I was also one of the member in that. So as far I know, the number of practicals are going to be reduced. Basically we are having the 18 practical at this moment, but we will reduce to around 13 to 14 practicals for this academic year. It will be given, I think within a week, next week, it should be in the market, the book, and this time you need to write in the book only itself. There is no separate fair journal or rough journal. You need to write at that journal and get it certified. Next question is, how could we complete paper before time? You plan and then do it. 10 मिनट 15 मिनट का टाइम आप छोड़ के रखो. अकॉर्डिंगली यू प्लान. मैंने आपको बोला फर्स्ट आप ये समझो कि आपको 15 मिनट्स 20 मिनट्स में फर्स्ट 2 क्वेश्चन कर लेने हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हाफ एन आवर में करना है ग्रुप बी. ग्रुप सी हाफ एन आवर में 1 आवर में. ग्रुप डी थियरम्स जो हैं हाफ एन आवर में 5 सम्स. अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन गो अहेड विद दैट and keep your 10 minutes spare time, and once you complete the sums you can go to the extra questions also, but provided if you have a time, if your time permits you can go to the extra questions, solve it. We will take the best 8 or best 5 out of the 8 or 12. It's not like that you have done the first attempted question we are going to be considered. No. If you have attempted in the beginning that question and that is wrong, and if you have attempted the another question of the same group in the last, we will consider the last one which is the correct one. Clear? So if the time permits, go for the extra questions also, but don't leave the question. Any other doubt? Okay, not yet. Any other doubt? No sir, thank you. Okay, fine. Any other things has need to be discussed? Any topic, any subtopic, any concept? Or we can wind up, man? If there is no doubt,
Yes.
I think 4:30.
No doubt. Yes. Yeah, you have exactly at 4:30 you have finished your talk. Sir, even if you have any doubts, when we have the face-to-face guidance, you can always discuss. with
Sure,
us.
sure. No, ma'am. No problem. Anytime. Anytime. If they have any doubt for the particular part also, we are ready to solve them doubts. No issue.
Yeah. And whatever questions are there in the chat box, I will send it to you. Sir, can you please write it and give me so that we'll forward it to the students?
Yeah, sure. We'll see. I think I've already answered it, but still
Yeah.
we can have. I'll save it also in the my same way. Save the chat. I think chat में कोई बहुत बड़ा questions तो नहीं है.
नहीं. हाँ.
Chat में I don't think so. Any big serious question is there in that. Sir, can you tell me the name of the chapters, theorems, and those parts that already we are going to give it in the handwritten in the detail about that.
So we will forward the important questions that we have prepared to the students.
Yeah,
so
that's
that they
in
can
the
idea.
same. Yeah, sure. We have students. I have prepared the important questions of each topic also. Around 10 to 15 questions from each topic I've taken. I prepared those questions. So that will be forwarded to you. In the beginning, you can prepare those questions. Still, I think that would be sufficient for you in the beginning. But again, I'm saying not 100% sure, but that will give you the idea about the basic, how to go ahead with the chapters. Yeah? Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you very much,
Okay,
sir.
thank you.
For
Thank you
your
very much.
wonderful guidance, and I'm sure students must have enjoyed your program and they
pleasure.
must have really got all the doubts solved.
It's my pleasure.
And thank you for sparing a valuable Sunday also with us.